Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, checking ng emosyon ni person mo ngayong week. Oo, pagdating sa'yo. Grabe, bago pa ako magsimula, yung energy is too low. Too low. Kumusta kayo? Anyway, so, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. At syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. Okay, they're all available. Yung ating, ang tawag dyan, protection from evil eye, the ring, meron tayo nung ang tawag dyan, necklace and bracelets. And syempre, pagdating sa love, sa mga connection, so ang ating may re-recommend is yung ating love bracelet. Okay? So, and yeah, pagdating sa mga manifestations, si Granter naman. Si Granter ang ating pwedeng kunin. Okay? And ang ating pang-cord cut. Okay, so if you're interested, by the way, si Granter is made to order. Okay? So, unisex si Granter. Actually. Sa mga nagtatanong. So, let's start the reading. Checking ng emosyon ni person mo this week for you. Okay, so by elements tayo. So, air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Who is this person? Check natin yung feelings niya for you. Who's this? The Seven of Cups. Okay. A Page of Pentacles in reverse. They're giving you mixed signals. I think yung energy ng taong to is like in and out. In, out, in, out, in, out. Parang ganon. Okay? Pwede nakakausap mo to sa ngayon. Some of you natu-turn off ka sa kanya kasi may chance na pwedeng may alam ka sa kanya na meron siyang mga sabihin natin kakonek or pwedeng sabihin nating na-attract pa rin siya sa iba even though yes, magkausap na kayo, parang ganun okay? Yeah, the Knight of Cups, the Empress. Some of you could be age gap, age difference. Hindi mo malaman kung ano bang gusto talaga ng taong to. So, let's see. What is their emotion for you? Their emotion. Thoughts, feelings. This week for you. Air signs. The Hermit. Why? The King of Swords in reverse. Andiyan yung interesado siya sa'yo. Inaaral ka niya, actually. Attracted, I think. Yeah, the Six of Wands is here. The Five of Wands. Nakakita siya ng challenge sa'yo, I think. Yeah, nakakita siya ng challenge sa'yo. I don't know why. I don't know how. Pero nandun yung interest ng person. Okay? Excuse me. Yeah, the Six of Cups. May chance na the Hierophant. May chance na itong taong ito is into you, pero hindi niya talaga totally like ipapakita agad kung ano ba yung totoo niyang emotion or intention sa'yo. Kasi parang kinakalkula pa lang niya. Okay? Kung anong meron. Okay? Or sabihin natin kung ano ang pwede niya ipakita sa'yo. Parang ganun Andun yung sabihin natin may takot yung person sa'yo na maging vulnerable, maging transparent. Nakakakita siya ng long-term connection or sabihin nating gusto niya na makasama ka ng matagal. Parang ganon. Okay? So, yeah, they're giving you mixed signals. Yes. I think kasi hindi niya talaga na ipapakita yung talagang intention, that is why. And yun nga, may some of them may pagka-immature, pwedeng nakukuha pa rin ng ibang tao yung attention niya. Okay? The Three of Swords. I think this person is takot rin na ma-reject if ever. That is why some of them, they have these options. Okay? So what else? For air signs. Check natin. Sino ba ito? Who is this? Okay. The Ace of Cups in reversed. Why? The Tower in reversed. This person is trying to avoid na mag-offer ng love connection with you. Right, yeah. The Empress, the Knight of Cups. Some of them, they like you though. They like you pero they're trying to avoid na mag-offer ng love connection. I don't know why. Page of Wands. I think this is a new person. Yeah, this is a new person. There's this tension na namamagitan. Some of you, ikaw itong may anak. Okay? May anak ka. Pero hindi ka nila ma-avoid like energetically. What is their feelings for you? Could be water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What is their feelings, emotion this week for you? Queen of Wands. Attracted. Yeah, they attracted. The Queen of Wands. The Sun in reverse. Feeling intimidated. Yeah, feeling intimidated. Shy. Okay? Some of you, nandun yung energy na hindi sila totally, this is a new person. Hindi sila ganun like, ka-ready na maging upfront or sabihin natin nandun yung, nahihiya pa. Nahihiya pa na maging open. Itong taong to. Okay? Some of you, they see you as somebody na pwedeng meron kang mga, sabihin natin, kinokone ka na iba. They see you as someone like that, no? Parang, hindi ko sinabing meron, pero ganun ang tingin niya sa'yo. Okay? Ganun yung tingin niya sa'yo. Sabihin natin pwedeng nakaka-attract ka ng iba pang energy sa kanya. Parang ganun. So, feeling intimidated, nahihiya tong taong to sa'yo na mag-approach, something like that. So, I'm hearing na itong taong to, they like you. This person likes you. Pero hindi sila ganun katapang na mag-approach sa'yo. No, para siyang nakatago pa lang. Para siyang nakatago. I don't know kung kayo ba ay totally nag-uusap na nito or pwedeng napaka-blunt lang. Wala pang nangyayaring pag-uusap. Let's see. Ano bang meron sa inyo situation? The Five of Swords. The Two of Pentacles. This is mixed signals. Okay? Pwedeng sabihin nating nandyan yung pag-uusap. Andun yung energy na parang na something like there's this big elephant in the room. Okay? Like, ang tawag doon? Anong tawag doon? Yeah, the big elephant in the room. Oh my gosh, diba nag-isip pa ako. Halata, yun, oo. Halata naman na. Parang ganyan, pero hindi nagsasabi. Hindi sinasabi, pero nandoon like sa actions, gestures maybe, sa pagtingin, parang ganyan. Something like that. So, yeah. Okay? Kulang lang sa actions. So, the Four of Pentacles and the Strength in reverse. This is like holding back. They're holding back something, their emotion maybe for you. Kasi pwedeng natatakot sila na baka mamaya hindi mo sila mapansin. Yeah. Parang ganon. Okay? So, there. Yun ang aking nakikita for you. So, fire signs. Oops. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Let's see. Hang on. Sandali lang po. Ano bang meron for fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Emotion ni person mo pagdating sa'yo. Ngayong week, sino ba to? The Two of Wands Universe. And the Five of Pentacles. Siya yung ilang beses mong pinabalik sa buhay mo. Okay? Siya yung ilang beses mong pinabalik. Ilang beses mong binigyan ng chance. Okay? Specific yun. So, what is your emotion right now? Let's see. Anong situation ninyo? Tingnan muna natin. Anong sitwasyon ninyo ngayon? Fire signs. The Queen of Cups Universe. The Empress. It's like, kahit ano, sasabihin natin may chance na kayo na muli na tong taong to. Okay? Andito yung parang nagpapakamartir. Oh, yeah, the Ten of Swords Universe is on and off. Okay? This is a cycle, a repeat. Kahit ano gagawin ko, parang ganon. It's like nakakaumay. The Ace of Pentacles Universe. Ayaw kasi ng miss opportunity with this person, I think. No, so let's see, what is your emotion right now? Your emotion. The King of Cups. Okay. Okay, what's with that King of Cups? The Knight of Swords. Puro salita lang to. Sa salita lang niya pinapakita na mahal ka. No? Parang puro salita lang yan. Eight of Wands. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles Universe. This is puro salita lang. Hindi ko nakikita like galing sa puso. Alam lang ng taong to kung paano ka papasiyahin or kung ano yung mga dapat mong marinig lamang. Parang ganyan. Okay? This is not good. Alam ng taong to kung paano eh. Yeah, the Eight of Wands again, but now in reverse. Meron ditong Two of Swords. You don't trust this person, don't you? Hindi mo na kayang paniwalaan to, pero nandun yung thinking na ayoko kasing may masayang. Ayoko kasing may masabing regrets or maramdamang regrets if ever, or a missed opportunity with this person. What? Alam mo naman na hindi mo na nga kayang pagkatiwalaan eh. Bakit magkakaroon pa ng ganon? Baka sakali, ayun ang narinig ko. Baka po kasi sakali eh, totoo na yung mga sinasabi niya. Ayun yun. Pero I don't think na totoo na. You're in a cycle. You're in a cycle with this person. You want growth. Oo, you want growth pagdating sa situation, but masyado na tong masyado ng gamit na gamit. Oo. Masyado ka ng gamit na gamit actually. Four of Swords, the Ace of Swords Universe. You don't trust this. Yeah, hindi ka na ganoon ka-hopeful dito. Alam mo naman na parang darating na naman uli kayo sa breakup or what, separation. Andun yung parang pinapahirapan mo lang yung sarili mo. Kailangan na ng pahinga nito, mga fire signs. Kailangan ng pahinga. So, the emotion, sabihin nating alam ng taong to kung paano ka paikutin sa pamagitan ng iyong emosyon sa kanya. Yeah. Seven of Wands Universe. The Ace of Cups, the Four of Cups. Yeah. Alam ng taong to kung gaano siya kahalaga para sa'yo. Okay? Kasi, yun nga, pwedeng ipinakita mo na ilang beses mong tinanggap eh. Even though, yun nga, nakagawa ng hindi tama or whatsoever sa situation, pero you're still accepting this person all over again and again and again and again. Like the tender juicy hot dog. Alam niyo yun? Yung yung commercial. Pangalan, Paolo nga ba yun o si Patrick? Yung commercial. Oo. O, diba? Again and again and again. Oh my gosh. Hi! Buhay. What else? For fire signs, let's see. I cannot. So, let's see. Your person's emotion this week. Kuha pa tayo ng isa pang energy. Were they? The moon in reverse could be a Pisces. The moon in reverse. The Eight of Pentacles. Okay. So, make up tayo ng kaunti yan sa part na yun. So, this person, some of you this person is tamad. Tamad. Some of them, they're looking for a job. Pero ayaw nila talaga. Pipilitin mo pa. Kailangan maghanap ng trabaho ng taong to. Pero sa tingin ko, pinoprovide mo everything. That is why, parang, bakit ako magtatrabaho? Okay? Parang ganun. That's specific, not for all. Not for all. Okay, Swords in reverse. Wala ka nakikitang action or plano sa taong to. Hindi siya ganun na maplanong tao. Hindi siya nag-iisip about something like future or something like, sabihin nating walang ruta. Walang direction yung buhay niya. Bakit ganito? Fire signs. Anong situation nyo ngayon? Ten of Cups. Temperance. This is like pagtitiis. For me, this is like pagtitiis. Some of you, meron kayong family sarili. Pero, nagiging pasensyosa ka lang. Trying to avoid what? A disaster. Trying to avoid separation. That is why, okay, sige, magtitiis muna ako or sabihin natin pagpapasensyahan ko na lang kung anong meron sa ngayon. Judgment in reverse, I think meron na kailangan talagang mangyari dito nasa situation nyo na to. Oo, kasi hindi pa laging iintindi na lang ng iintindi. I think so. So, ano bang emotion niya for you? Fire signs this coming week. What is your emotion right now for you? The Ace of Wands. Okay. And the Two of Swords. Oh my. The Fool. The Emperor in reverse. Ay hindi mo siya mapipigilan sa mga gusto niyang gawin. I think so. Yeah, andun yung energy na sabihin nating the sex is good. Okay, the sex is good, pero hanggang dun lang yung kaya niya may provide. Sex. Actually, itong taong to takot na mawala ka, sa totoo lang. Bakit? Bakit? Yan, laki mong kawalan dito pag nawala ka. Ang laki mong kawalan pag naalis ka. Okay? They're too practical. Specific nga, hindi na sila para magtrabaho pa kasi na-provide mo naman lahat. Some of you may pera ka, may sarili kang business or what. Okay, so some of them, they're like nagre-rely na lang or dumidepende na lang sa kung anong meron. Okay, kahit anong gender, Sa totoo lang, hindi mo to makasundo sa usaping sabihin nating growth. Hindi mo to makakasundo. Lagi yan, oo lang, pero hindi naman niya gagawin. Why? They're too, comfortable. The situation nyo. See, the Hanged Man. Comfortable. Anyway, so, good luck. Kung sino man naka-resonate doon, good luck sa person mo. Good luck. No? Good luck sa'yo at sa person mo. Anyway, so next, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see. Your person's emotion this week for you. Your person's emotion. So, who is this? Who is this person? For water signs. The Nine of Swords in reversed. Hindi mo na ito masyadong pinag-iisip, I think. Or hindi mo na masyadong pinagkakastresan. Yeah, the Three of Wands. Hindi ka na parang masyadong naghihintay. Yeah, the sun is here. Yeah. Andun yung word na acceptance. Pwedeng tinalikuran mo na or kanalimutan mo na tong taong to para sa bagong mga energy na dumarating. Yeah, the Three of Cups. Okay? Some of you, nagkaroon kayo ng connection ito na LDR. Mga specific po yun ha, not for all. So, let's see anong situation ninyo sa ngayon. Page of Cups. The Three of Swords. Meron ditong kailangang ipaghingi ng sorry. Meron ditong gustong humingi ng sorry. Meron ditong gustong magbigay ng closure or clarity or whatsoever. Pagdating sa, meron ditong energy ng breakup. Okay, meron ditong energy rin ng somebody who's moving on. I don't know who's who. Pwedeng ikaw or pwedeng yung person mong nagmo-move on na. Okay? Sa situation, sabihin natin, okay, let's call this quits. Parang ganon. Tingnan natin, ano bang emosyon niya? Anong emotion? Nandun na yung distansya, like in general. May distansya na nangyari. Pwedeng nalimutan na, or nakakalimutan na, parang ganyan. Emotion niya sa'yo. The Six of Pentacles in reversed. The Queen of Swords. This is being unfair. Ang nakikita ko dito, naririnig ko, you're unfair. Water signs, you are unfair. I don't know, itong taong to, sabihin natin may hinihintay sa'yo to like closure, or clarity, or kung ano man, a message, pero hindi nila natanggap yon siguro. That's specific. And now, they're acting distant, cold, detached, silent. Okay? So, doesn't give an F. Parang ganun. It's like, okay. Sabi ko nga, let's call this quits. Acceptance. Yeah, again, the sun. So, sabihin natin yung word na nanggagaling sa taong ito is okay. Yan ang gusto mo, wala akong makita sa'yo, whatsoever. Then, okay, go. Goodbye. Parang ganun. Hindi ko na para hingiin yung mga dapat kong hingiin sa'yo. Hindi ko na para hintayin yung mga dapat kong hintayin sa'yo. Mga ganun. Kung wala akong naririnig from you, then wala ka ring maririnig from me. Okay? Yeah. They're cutting you off. They're cutting you off. O siguro nga, pwedeng hindi mo na to masyadong na aalala. Pero gusto ng taong to na may sabihin ka eh. Like, I don't know kung anong kailangan mong sabihin. Or magkaroon man ng closure or kung ano man. Pero yun nga, hindi lang nakukuha yun. Andun yung sabihin nating bitterness or andun yung energy na may galit si person. Pero ina-accept na lang yung situation. Okay? They're like releasing this. Yeah, the Chariot is here. In reverse. Meron, some of you, may nangyaring unfinished business dito. Yeah. The Eight of Swords in reverse. Ayaw na lang niya ng stress dito, actually. Parang ganon. So, there. So, next, tingnan natin what else. What else? Anong emotion sa'yo ni person? So, sino ba ito? Water sign. Sino to? Okay. Ano yun? The Six of Cups. What's with that? The Seven of Swords in reversed. This is your past. Again, a past person. The Four of Wands in reverse. Yeah. May separation na nangyari na naman dito. Ano naman to? Somebody is being, sabihin natin nagiging sneaky. This person could be, sabihin natin parang nag-i-stalk sa'yo, may mga gustong malaman sa'yo sa ngayon, pwedeng may nalaman siya sa'yo, I don't know kung alam mo yon, pero may nalaman siya about you. Okay? Or pwedeng ikaw sa kanya, or pwedeng meron kang hinahanap pagdating dyan sa ex mo. Pwedeng yun na, mga specific yun. Let's see. Ano bang situation ngayon? Aside sa yes, meron ditong separation, and yes, this is your ex. Ano pang ibang makikita pagdating sa situation? Anong situation nyo? Tingnan natin. The Queen of Cups. The Three of Swords in reverse. The Ace of Swords in reverse. The Sun in reverse. Meron ditong parang sabihin natin attracted na or merong kakonect sa ngayon na nagiging way para makamove on. The Three of Swords in reverse. Yeah, the Eight of Wands in reverse. Pwedeng hindi niya sinabi or hindi niya pinaalam sa'yo to, or the situation, I guess, parang ano naghihintay yung isa or kung sino man sa inyo, merong naghihintay na sana may makita ako para yun na lang yung maging closure or parang yun na lang yung maging way para totally malisan ko tong connection na to. Energetically connected pa rin yung iba sa inyo. Okay, the King of Swords. Parang ito yung magiging way para i-cut off ko to. Yeah, Two of Cups in reverse. Alam mo, water signs, some of you, hindi ko isasantabi to you still love your past. You still love your ex. You still love them. Yes! You still love them. Pero hinaharangan mo na lang yung sarili mo sa kanya. By what? I don't know. Kung ano man ang ginagawa mo. Ay nakain ng pansit canton. Ang random. Oo. Let's see. What's their emotion right now for you, water signs? The High Priestess. Silent. Yeah, the Four of Swords. Hindi ka para kontakin ito, pero they are thinking of you. They are thinking of you. Okay? They're like managing. Oo, minamanage nila eh. Yeah, there's effort. May pagpipigil sa sarili itong taong to. Nakausapin ka, gumawa ng action towards you. Yeah. Pero pinipili nga ng taong to na maging silent lang pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. Even though some of them may iba ng kausap or what. You're in their head. You're in their head. Yeah, the 5 of Cups. Hindi pa nakaka-move on. Meron pa ditong hindi nakaka-move on. Meron ako naririnig na yung energy ng rebound. Okay? Rebound. Or parang ginagawang get away or escape. No, yung kakonek. I don't know. Okay, so next, Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe again. So what is your person's emotion this coming week for you? What is their emotion right now? So who is this? Who is this person? Anong meron sa kanya para alam mo na siya to? The 8 of Cups in reversed. Okay. And the 9 of Pentacles in reversed. The World. A past person. Oh my. A past person's energy. Pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng sabihin nating responsibilities sa isa't isa. That's so specific, not for all. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng may anak kayo nito. Emotionally attached pa rin. Emotionally. This person wants commitments with you. They want commitment. The 8 of Wands in reverse, the 3 of Cups. Meron lang ditong hindi sabihin nating naabot sa connection. Yeah. Anong meron sa connection ngayon? Anong meron sa inyo? 2 of Swords in reverse. So may nangyaring decision. May pagdedesisyong nangyari. Okay, the Judgment. Pagdating sa isang sitwasyong paulit-ulit. Okay, the World again. I think, kung sino man to, nagkaroon kayo ng endings, acceptance, no? Sa situation kasi parang wala naman to like wala namang patutunguhan to, like wala tayong kasiguraduhan dito, Earth signs. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah. Meron ditong nag-isip patungkol sa future or patungkol sa mga pwede pang mangyari outside the connection. Parang ganon. It's like, kailangan nating itigil yung cycle para magkaroon ng, sabihin nating bagong energy na papasok sa atin. Para tayo ay magkaroon ng mga bagong opportunity na i-grab. Parang ganyan. Okay? Mahirap to actually. Nagkaroon kayo ng commitments ng taong ito na sabihin natin kahit wala namang kasiguraduhan sa situation ng iba sa inyo, it's like hindi ko to para bitawan. Parang ganon. Pero nangyari nga is dumesisyon yung isa, I don't know kung sino, na tapusin kung ano man yung cycle na meron. Okay? Anong emosyon niya sa'yo ngayon, Earth sign? Knight of Pentacles. Okay, Death. Yeah. The 8 of Wands. Pagmamatigas to. Some of them, meron silang mga ipapakitang pagbabago. Okay, meron silang ipapakitang mga pagbabago. The moon. Ano sabihin natin may pinanghuhugutan. May pinanghuhugutan itong taong to sa nangyaring desisyon. Some of you kasi hindi siya sang-ayon sa ginawa mong desisyon sa past kung ikaw yung gumawa. Okay? Kung ikaw yung nakipaghiwalay or ikaw yung nag-end ng cycle sa inyo. Ayaw niya nun, I think. Pero yeah, sa tingin ko kailangan, no? So sa ngayon, nandito yung sabihin nating magmamatigas ng taong to or sabihin nating because of their pride or ego, ipapakita sa inyo itong taong to ng pagbabago. Okay? Or could be ending, like sabihin nating i-embrace nito yung ending na nangyari. It's like wala na talagang balikan na mangyayari. Kasi sa past meron, ang dami. Paninindigan nito yung nangyaring ending sa inyo. It's like, okay, this is it. I'm out. Parang ganon. Yeah, 7 of Pentacles. Some of them mag-i-invest na sa iba. See, 7 of Cups. Mag-i-invest na sa iba. Andun yung sabihin nating energy ng bitterness, galit siya, parang feeling niya na nasayang lang yung mga oras, effort. Kasi parang dumisisyon ka ng iyo lang. Parang ganon. Some of them, hindi nila naintindihan kung ano ba yung gusto mong ipahayag, iparating. I don't know. Okay, like, parang sarado pa yung utak ng tao. Or ayaw lang nilang totally intindihin yung gusto mo. Kasi, ang focus nila is ikaw. Parang ganon. Okay? So, nandun yung galit niya. Sa totoo lang. So, what else? For Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ano pa? So, who is this person? Again, kuha tayo na iba pang energy. The 9 of Cups in reversed. Ito yung tao na parang sabihin nating gustong gusto ka na hindi ka naman makuha, or pwedeng vice versa or flip yung energy. Yeah, the 8 of Swords. They don't know. Wala silang way kung paano ka makukuha. Walang way. Wala silang makitang paraan, wala silang makitang pwedeng gawin para totally makuha ka niya, like mapasa kanya ka. Parang ganon. Some of you, kaya hindi mangyari yun kasi somebody is stuck. Stuck sa isang connection or sa isang relationship or sa isang sabihin nating sitwasyon, no? So, let's see anong situation ninyo right now. Okay, the Lovers. Oh, some of you, this could be third party involvement. Diba? Okay. Yeah, the Magician in reverse. This is a secret affair. The 7 of Swords is here. The Justice is here. This is infidelity. Secrets. Secret affair. Secret love affair. Paano mapapasa kanya, paano mapapasayo, kasi pwedeng yung isa sa inyo is nasa isang connection na. The 3 of Wands. Pero this person, sabihin nating hopeful, even though wala siyang makitang paraan or napakalabo pa ng situation ninyo sa ngayon, nandoon yung sabihin nating hindi siya nawawalan ng pag-asa. Parang ganun. Okay, let's see what is their emotion right now for you hanggang this coming week. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Physically attracted. So, this is excitement. Yeah, excitement. What's with that Ace of Wands? Oh, the Queen of Cups. They really love you. This is like excitement, love. Yeah. They're being open. They want you. Yeah, this person really likes you. Okay, the 8 of Wands. The 4 of Cups. Actually, lahat kayang gawin ng taong to para sa'yo. Kaya niya maghintay para sa'yo. Yeah. Ikaw yung 9 of Cups niya eh. You're their wish fulfillment. Na parang hindi pa pwede sa ngayon na makuha. Parang ganyan. Pero hopeful yung person. Some of you, earth sign, ikaw itong parang merong somebody. Okay? The Hierophant Universe, I don't know. May chance dito na pwedeng meron ng hindi magandang connection na nangyayari. That is why maybe the marriage ang isang dahilan kung bakit hindi pa totally makaalis itong taong to or ikaw sa situation. Pero yeah, this person is really in love with you. Yeah, they're in love. Okay, so there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.